Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the DIY detail interior ceramic on this carpet here. This carpet here, because nobody sits in the back of my car, like I bought these brand new to replace the ones that were there. Nobody sits back there, so the carpet is basically brand new. Nobody's ever sat back there. It has no foot traffic, so it's not dirty. So all I did was vacuum this one, and so I'm going to do a fresh application of DIY detail interior ceramic, which can be used on fabrics. It tells you right on the label here. This product is safe on leather, vinyl, and fabrics. So we're going to go ahead and do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to fluff up the fibers here for a second. Okay, and let me open this nozzle up here. I'm going to go ahead and spray this here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hands, like you guys saw me do last time, and I'm just going to work this product into the fibers here. And so I'm doing circular motions with my hands just to work it into the fibers of the product here. And so what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to do a little different on this application. I'm going to comb the fibers this way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this product and just douse it like that again. I'm going to take my hand again and I'm going to go ahead and work this into the fibers one more time. So that's pretty much it. You can see there's product on my hand here. I'm going to take a napkin here, swipe my gloves, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to comb the fibers the opposite way. And what I'm going to do is spray product onto the surface, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let this dry like that. So we'll just let this dry on the surface here. Again, I worked it in a couple times, and then I'm just going to let this sit on the surface like that, and then I'll come back probably in a couple hours. I don't know what the setup time is for this, and then we'll go ahead and check out the hydrophobics of the DIY detail interior ceramic, which can be used on fabrics and also, of course, your other interior product areas of your vehicle. So I just want to kind of just showcase the application portion. Again, if your carpets, if your carpets are brand new, it's a real good time to do it, because you can just, like I said, just vacuum them and then just go ahead and apply the fabric protectant on there. And then your maintenance for that is, I mean, it's really hard to tell you how long it's going to last, but if their carpets are seeing no foot traffic, it's basically going to last, you know, for a long time, probably an entire year. If you're like on your driver's side, if you go in and out, it's going to vary between, you know, a few months to a year. It just depends on how it holds up. One easy way to test it out is just take a bottle of water, add some, you know, put it on the surface, and if it's still repelling liquid, then the product is still there. If it's lost that ability, then just go ahead and clean your carpets again, and then go ahead and reapply the coating onto the fabric protectant onto the carpets once again. And so it's really hard to give you an exact time frame how long this is going to last. So if you see no foot traffic, it's going to last a long time. If it sees foot traffic, for example, your driver's side, then yeah, it's probably going to last a few months. But it should be easier to clean your carpet, you know, as far as vacuuming and all that, getting some stains out. It should be relatively easy. And then the next thing is reapplying it after a deep clean once again. Again, your carpet should be able to get cleaner easier during that time frame. So again, we'll come back in a few hours. We'll check and see how the product has done on here. Again, I don't know the setup time for this product. I'm going to treat it probably like the Sequartz Fabric 2.0, which is like give it an hour or so, and then we'll come back. So again, I'm going to let this set up for, I'll probably just give it a couple hours. I'll come back, check the hydrophobics, and then we'll see how this product is doing. All right, so I'll be right back with that. All right, so I am back here to look at the interior ceramic that I applied to the carpet here. We're going to see the way it repels water here. So I have a bottle of water. Now this carpet, again, I just reiterate, didn't need to be clean or anything. Just quick vacuum. Nobody sits back there. Nobody has sat back there since I bought these carpets. So we'll just kind of see how this thing sets up here. So you can see that the water just kind of moves around on the carpet here. And so that's kind of like the benefit to having a fabric protectant in there. Again, if you keep pouring water in here, eventually it's gonna, you know, even this, unless it get absorbed in, it's actually still sitting on the surface because the fibers underneath are actually protected on there. So pretty simple to kind of just clean. So you just kind of dump it off like that, and then, you know, just come back and dab up any standing water. So it's pretty straightforward with this product here. I just wanted to give it a shot, and it worked out pretty well. So again, that's DIY detailed interior ceramic as a fabric protectant.